All right, guys. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to make her miss you. Now, guys, you're going to notice a lot of my videos are similar because a lot of these principles are similar. These are just things that work when dating women. Now, how to make her miss you. Guys, it's so simple, but for whatever reason, simplicity just isn't common for humans. We always think it's this grand scheme, this grand thing that we got to do to get the best results. Guys, the way to make her miss you is to leave her alone. Leave her alone. Give her space. The main problem why she doesn't miss you is because you don't give her the space to miss you. You know, there was a couple guys. Let me actually move this over. There was a couple guys that I actually coached, and they were spending every day with their girl, right? Every day their girl would come over the house, or they would go over their girl's house, and they literally were spending every day together. And over time, maybe a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they noticed that their girl was less excited to see him. They noticed that their girl started treating him a little more disrespectful. She started talking with a little more aggression in her voice. She basically stopped valuing his time because they spent every day together for like 3 weeks. Okay? And he didn't give her space. Guys, the main way, that's why I said it's so simple. The main reason why your girl does not miss you is because you don't give her the space to miss you. You ever heard the saying, the heart grows fonder apart? It's so true, because if you're seeing that person every day, you kind of lose the excitement for them. That's like when you're talking to somebody, you're like, oh, I want this girl, she's so bad. Yeah, you want her because you don't have her. But when you start dating her and you've been dating her for like 4 years, you're not as excited as you was when you first got with her. You know what I'm saying? Because over time, you get used to it. Same thing with women. Over time, they get used to you, and you have to be very diligent in giving her space to miss you. And guys, this brings up another topic of having things to do, having a purpose, right? The main reason why you're spending so much time with your girl is probably because you're not doing nothing else. Do you have a hobby? Do you have a group of guy friends to hang out with, to have a drink with, to go to the bar with? You know what I'm saying? Do you have a mentor? Do you have a side hustle? Do you have a side business? Is there something you're passionate about that you could be doing other than sitting up, laying up with this girl all day? You understand? Maybe you want to join karate. Maybe you want to join an adult football league. What are you passionate about? Because the thing about it is, guys, it's not only you, but your woman. When your woman sees you every day, I don't care if you're working. You could be working. You could have a good job making good money. If she sees you after work at the house, and then you're at the house all day until it's time to go to work again, and then after that, you're back at the house all day, obviously, she loses respect because you lost respect for yourself. Guys, get a side business, a hobby, hang out with get a good group of friends, a brotherhood, right? That you can hang out with, spend guy time away from her, maybe get a mentor that you can go learn from. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if it's flag football, it's adult flag football, or ultimate frisbee. Go do something away from her. Have a life away from her. You know what I'm saying? And those are things you have to do, because if you keep laying up underneath your girl all day long, she's eventually going to lose respect for you, and she's going to start getting disrespectful. She's going to definitely not miss you. And guys, I know this personally firsthand. I don't talk about anything that I don't have experience with. Guys, this is one subject that I have the most experience with, because there was a girl I was dating. Started off good. I have a decent job, so money wasn't an issue. But over time, we just got used to each other. She kept coming over my house. I'm coming over her house. Before you know, we're spending every day together, every weekend together. We're laying up in the house, watching movies, watching Netflix all day, eating dinner together, all that. And it was fun. Don't get me wrong. In the beginning, when you first start, it's fun. After about a couple months, your girl started looking at you differently. Like, this dude just lay up around the house. This dude don't got nothing going on for himself. This dude, did he even take a shower today? What is he doing? And then the light bulb goes off. Maybe I can do better. Maybe I can get a better band. Maybe I can get a better man. And then what'll happen is she start planning her exit and you get broken up with. Guys, so if you got any value from this video, I would suggest you consider my YouTube automation course. Now, it's very affordable. It's not one of those $1,000 courses where we try to upsell you. This is just a one-on-one course that I made specifically affordable because I just got tired of people scamming, people who were just looking for knowledge. So in this video, we keep everything official and transparent. We don't try to hold anything. We're giving you guys all the gems and all the tools that you need. And we're letting you know the tips and tricks that, and stumbles that and pitfalls that I had actually building my 2 Faceless YouTube channels. So we're going to go over the AI tools needed. We're going to actually build a Faceless video from scratch. We're going to do it from scratch live. And also, guys, if you don't want to go the AI tools route, maybe you want to be totally hands off, you want to just pay somebody to do it for you, we're actually going to go over how to build a team, where to get your team, and actually what to look forward to when doing it that route too. So we cover both ways, whether it's the AI tools, using AI to make the videos, or whether you're going to pay a team to make the videos. We cover all of that. We also cover how to build a YouTube brand. A lot of people forget this. They think that you just make the video, post it. No, you actually have to make a brand with logos, with channel art, and optimize your channel for your target demographic. We go over that as well. If you got any value from this, I would consider purchasing my course where we dive right into it. Guys, your woman has to value your time. She should be happy and she should be excited to spend time with you. And the reason why she doesn't miss you most of the time is because you guys are spending too much time, right? So pull that time back. Don't just cut her off like that, but pull it back. The way to pull it back without coming across as you're playing games is filling up your day with activities. That way you have an excuse why you can't see her, right? And she's like, babe, I'm coming over. And you're like, you know what? Today's not a good day for you to come over because I'm going to play flag football, down at the park. Hopefully she don't try to come to the park. But I'm just saying, you have an activity, you have a reason why you can't come. You're just not making up some bull crap. And now you look like a liar. You feel me? So that is it, guys. That is this video. Guys, like I always say, I do coaching. So if you need extra help, I have email coaching and I have video chat coaching, right? All that will be down in the description below. Guys, I hope this video gave you value. Don't forget to share this video. If there's a young man, excuse me, guys, sorry. If there's a young man that's struggling with women, share this video, guys. We gotta help our young men. We gotta help our older men too, but we really have to help our young men because dating has changed, guys. And this is I'm not saying who's wrong, who's right. I'm not saying nothing like that. But I am saying that dating has changed. The whole 1940s way of dating is not the same anymore, okay? So we got to learn how to navigate this dating marketplace. And the only way to do that is to learn from people who are successful. Guys, I'm not the best, but I am successful, okay? So I'm just here to teach you what I know and hopefully set you on the right path. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.